This is a book that our Aunt Jan sent us for Christmas. You say, thank you, Aunt Jan and Bill. Say, thanks, Jan and Bill.
The bell.
It's called 10 Little. 10 Little? Whoop. Whoa, sorry about that, folks.
Ouch.
Whoops. That was no good.
Pawpaw.
Pawpaw? No. Look here. Can you help Mommy turn the page?
Pawpaw.
Hey, wait. Let's turn the page here, bud. All right. One lonely traveler riding on the plane. Good. Two graceful dancers asking for some rain. Good job. Three busy messengers sending out the news. Right. Four clever trackers looking for some clues. Five wise storytellers trying to keep warm. Yeah, they're all huddled around that fire, huh? Six nimble runners fleeing from a storm. That's right. Seven merry mischief makers playing hide and
seek.
They playing hide and seek.
Yeah.
That's a fun game, isn't it? 8 patient anglers fishing in a creek. 9 festive drummers beating on a drum. And 10 sleepy weavers knowing day is done. Can you count them? Can you count the rabbits?
No.
Oh, please help me. We have 1
Rabbit.
rabbit. Here, count me count.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whoa, good job. Give me 5.
Each is that.
Say, thanks, Aunt Jan. Say,
Uh-oh.
love you.
Uh-oh.
Can you blow 'em sugars? Ooh. 10 sleepy rabbits. Are you a sleepy rabbit? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Bye-bye, Kelly.
No, we're not talking to Aunt McKaylee. Say, love you, Aunt Jan. Say thanks. You blow sugars?